Hello everybody and welcome back. Okay, so you guys know I got Karambit, but one of my viewers said, "Bro, Balisong on the top." So guess what? I got Balisong, Karambit and Balisong. I've always wondered which is the best, Karambit, Song, or yeah. Wait, is it included in the legendary key bundle? I want to check it out. Legendary key bundle. It's on Keyblade. I want that one. There's key shot though. Should I have a key shot? No, I don't think so. It's expensive. Okay, I'm just gonna wait until there's like key Rambit or keyless song because I really want it. Okay, so let's be seeing the weapons. Wait, my knife. Okay, so this is the Karambit one I just got. I already show you what it looks like. Like this. Wait, I missed. See? It's cool, but now let me equip it. The Balisong. It's like a butterfly knife. I don't know why. I don't know. I've never heard of Balisong. There's like a sing-a-song, but okay. Balisong. Check this out. Look at that, so cool. The hitbox, I think the hitbox is bigger than Karambit, I don't know. But the smallest hitbox is pencil. Okay, so if you want to hear the sounds, here you go. Okay, so that is the Balisong. Okay, now let's try it out on a game. So first, I'm gonna use my voice, and the second one is without my voice, okay? Are you ready for it? Let's go. We're gonna be knifing everybody with my Balisong. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I think it's Balisong. Okay, we're going in the game. Okay, we're going in right now. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're in. Now let's go for, we're trying to aim for arena or battlegrounds because they're like, okay, if they're going for battlegrounds, I'll go for it. No, okay, I can knife in this too. This is not bad. Okay, let's go for AR, sling, knife. No, I think I need, no, which revolver? Knife, freeze. Okay, ready. Let's go. I'm dead. How did, okay, they missed. I'm trying to go aim for that freeze. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, GG's, bro. They're just pay to wins, and yeah, they're using energy life rifle, so I think I'm dead. What do you mean, doctor? Okay, they're just pay to win, bro. Pay to win. I can't even do this. Okay, let's go again. I'm sorry if I'm bad because I'm not really good at rifles. Okay, I missed. Wonder. Okay, hit one with my knife. Okay, I backstabbed someone. Okay, where's the other kid? Oh my gosh, my teammate died. Bro, he's paid to win. I can't do this. What if it's RPG spam because of them? You know, I'll just RPG spam. I can't even do it. But I want to use knife. He's control molt. Oh my gosh, RPG spam. Oh, double backstab! Holy double backstab! That was crazy, bro. Okay, let's go. Okay, Did you throw a Molotov there? Gotta eliminate this stupid guy first. No, he's not that stupid. I mean, like this and a sling spammer. Bam. Okay, I only I have to do that because I couldn't. He's right behind me. Oh, he's using it too. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh hell nah, brother. Okay, we gotta lock in that. Okay, okay, I know they're gonna shoot a mold there or a flare. Bam! I froze myself. Oh, I thought I was gonna backstab him. Bro, he's just paid. Oh my gosh, it's so annoying, bro. Like they're all paid to wins. You know? Okay, nice. Okay, my teammate just backstabbed him, but the problem is he doesn't have a skin. That sucks. Should I give them a skin case? Oh no, bro. Because I'm kind of getting broke now. Okay, bro, they're just like so nice, but I don't know. Should I use my RPG and cook them? Okay, I'm gonna throw my freeze ray right. 1, 2, 3, throw. Did I get it? No, I missed. 100. Alright, let's go. I'm dead. No, bro, he's paid to win. Okay, I think I lost. Okay. But there's Donald Trump. But then there's just teabagging. Okay, let's play again. This time you can hear the sound effects. That was a wholly insane win. I'm gonna go for another round. Okay, guys, we have seen the gameplay of me using Balisong. I don't know how to pronounce it, Balisong, I don't know, but it's just so cool. I'll keep this rather than Karambit because it looks, look at the hitbox. See, it's so big. Okay, and bye.